There's something we all do that you might even be doing right now. We reach for our phone to soothe the noise inside. And for a while, it works. Until it doesn't. It's like the world pulls at you. Headlines, feeds, an endless scroll of things you can't control. But what if there's no urgency, no demand? Just breath. Just the breeze. Just light. Just this. What if peace was never lost? What if it's been here, waiting all along? Come back. Step outside the noise. Find what's already here. If this moment feels different, if it feels like a breath of fresh air, you can have more of this. I made something simple to help. A free 5-day journey to step outside the noise and find your way back to clarity. You don't have to change anything. Just start where you are. There's a link in my bio.